I bought a new gadget. Right, so I was looking at the Insta 360 Ace Pro and I was really intrigued about the flip up screen that you can get with that particular camera. However, I did get some mixed reviews on looking at the videos online. So that led me to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which this is. I could not resist the temptation anymore, so I ordered it the other day and it just arrived a couple of hours ago. This is the Creator Combo version. I've spent a lot of time watching videos regarding this particular product and it's getting mixed reviews as well. But in all, I think it will be a good addition to my setup. So let's start unboxing the camera. So right off the bat, we have some packaging materials. And here is the camera itself, along with a receipt, some other packaging material, basically everything. So this must include everything that's in the Creator Combo. Let's see. There's a pull tab here, which can be difficult. You know what? Let's just use the knife. And open up the box here. What you get, some silica gel. And a bag or pouch with some standard product naming tag. Let's get that off as such. And let's see if there's anything else in the box here. This is just your basic safety guidelines. Oh, yeah, multiple stickers. So a SD card sticker, DJI sticker, mission, promote the common good, DJI, look first from within, enrich our lives. Then we have the quick start guide showing us how to put in the SD card, power on and rotate the screen, and how to use various stuff on the Osmo Pocket. I'm guessing that there are cables in here. No, maybe not. So that's the carrying case, or protector case maybe? Yeah. Okay, so that's where you can put the black Pro Mist lens cover thingy, or lens filter rather. And the wide angle lens can be put in there to store it while not in use. And I've tried the Osmo Pocket 2 and I can already tell that this one is quite bigger than the Osmo Pocket 2. But I guess that is normal considering that you need, well, essentially a bigger body to get a 1-inch sensor. That was the cover. Let's get the main product out of its cage. So that's a little bit unconventional. So it seems like the bag opens from the bottom, because when looking at it, it seems like this should be the top, but it's not. And this is the gimbal itself. So let's pull this off. Rotate the screen. Pretty nice. Okay, so just gonna power down like so. Let's put this on the table, see what else we have. Right, so this is a battery extension handle. Let's pull this off as well. I'm not that fond of stickers, any sort. So it has a USB-C connector, which then in turn gives you this USB-C port. And then there is these clip-ons, which is supposed to hold it in place when putting it on the gimbal. And on the bottom you have a 1/4 inch screw mount for a tripod. Right, so let's plug this one in here. Oh, we have 56% battery and it's now charging. Oh yeah, you can tell that there's 56% on the gimbal and 53% on the battery handle. Seems to have a pretty good grip on it. A little bit of play there, but nothing of any worry. So that's good. And this is a DJI mic, which has 32-bit float recording, and I'm really looking forward to try that. As of this moment, this video is being recorded using the Rode Wireless Go, the first one, and just going in directly into my Sony a6300 camera. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. This is going to pair with this using Bluetooth, so hopefully there's not going to be any delay or anything like that. And there is also a 3.5mm jack, so I can connect my lavalier mic to this as well. Right, what's in here as well is a tripod, small one, very similar one to the ones that you get on the DJI Ronin, just in a smaller form factor and a much lighter version. So we can screw that on the bottom here. And we have a tripod mounted gimbal. Right, next part is another, well, I actually thought it was a battery, but it's not. It's just a handle or extension which give you the USB-C plug right there to get into the gimbal, and then once again you have the USB-C plug there to charge the gimbal. And on the bottom you have the 1/4 inch mount point as well. But that's it. It's not containing any lithium battery or anything like that. So is that it? No, you have USB-C to USB-C cable, and is that a lens filter? Oh, that's a magnet. That's for the microphone, of course. Yeah, so that's the magnet. Oh, that's heavy duty. It's really powerful, like a neodymium magnet maybe. Okay, so next part is oh, that's the lens filter. Maybe it's the wide angle lens adapter. 0.75 times 15 millimeters or something. Yeah, I think that's the wide angle lens cover filter stuff thingy. And you get dead cat for the microphone and a strap. So that goes into the 3.5mm jack. Oh, that's clever. So it doesn't come off as easily. You have a nice fluffy thing to keep the wind noise low. Another silica gel pouch. I think that was it. So yeah, should we power on the gimbal and try it on? Language, let's just select English. That's fine. Because you need the DJI Mimo app. Swipe to skip, so we'd skip that 5 times. So eventually you have to use the app. Okay, so swipe from the left edge to enter playback. There's no SD card, of course. Swipe from right edge to change image and audio parameters. Okay. Tap to switch between shooting modes. Low light, video. Select smart gimbal mode. Face auto detect. Spin shot. All sorts of things. Tap to rotate gimbal. Gimbal has been rotated. And check battery level. So there it is. The Ronin, or the older brother, or bigger brother to this camera. So my camera just died due to overheating. I thought, well, maybe just try to put in a SD card. So this SanDisk Extreme 128GB, I'll put that in there, which is the wrong way. So we have to turn the SD card around, I think, maybe, like this. Right, so it says SD card inserted. It says something about the format, maybe. I don't know. So let's try to start a recording. So let's just sync up the audio. So this is the image from the Pocket 3. I'm shooting in 4K, 25 frames per second. And let me just try to tap my face. So active track is now enabled. It's tracking me, which is fine. Let me just lift up this right here. Oh, and the text in the background is mirrored. I hope that's not coming onto the recording. But yeah, I was actually a bit worried that since they included the wide angle lens, that the lens itself would be not as wide angle as you would like, but I'm currently holding out the gimbal fairly, like, what would it be? Well, it's just an arm's stretch, and I would never vlog like this. I would probably do something like this, but looking at the screen, it seems like there is a lot of the background in the image, so it's not bad. Yeah, let me know what you think. I'm looking forward to test this. I will be making a test video where I'm testing out the low light capabilities as well, and yeah, like I did with the S23 Ultra. So since we have this new camera right here in front of me, it seems like the perfect opportunity to end this video. So using my new gimbal camera, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.